Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to convert your image or photo to a PDF file on your iPhone, all you need to do first is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then locate the photo you want to convert from maybe PDF, PNG, or whatever format it is to PDF. So let's say this particular photo. Then click on the share button at the bottom left. Swipe up, click on Save to Files. Make sure you select the source and click on check mark. After that, go ahead and open the Files app. Once open the Files app, locate the photo you want to convert from photo or from PNG to a PDF file. Now, to convert this photo from whatever format it is to a PDF file, press on Hold It. Now, swipe up and click on Quick Actions. Once you click on Quick Actions, locate and click on Create PDF. Then, this is going to create a PDF format of the photo. This. It's going to be in form of a PDF. To confirm that, click on the information icon and then it should say the file as PDF document. PDF document is a PDF. Now you can use this to convert multiple photos to PDF on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.